Let us learn about conical curves and their applications in this video. We already know that conical curves are classified into four types. They are circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. We call them conical curves because they can be obtained by cutting a cone or cones in the following way. First, we assume a right-angled triangle and rotate it about its axis to form a cone. When this cone is cut by a plane, then the curve formed by joining the points on the surface of a cone is called a conic section. But the plane that is cutting our cone can be oriented in any direction. If the plane cuts the cone perfectly horizontally, that is, perpendicular to the axis, then the section formed is a circle. If the plane cuts the cone at an angle to the axis but without touching the base, that is, if the angle is greater than half of the apex angle but less than 90 degrees, then it forms an ellipse. If the plane cuts the cone at an angle that is exactly equal to half of the apex angle, then it forms a parabola. If the plane cuts the cone at an angle less than half of the apex angle, then it forms a hyperbola. We use four methods to draw an ellipse in engineering drawing. They are directrix focus method or eccentricity method, arc of circle method, concentric circle method, rectangle method. Applications of ellipse. Ellipse is used in planets revolve in elliptical orbits for stability. Elliptical gears are used to vary the gear speed within a single rotation. Bullet nose is elliptical for detachment of shock waves. We use two methods to draw parabola. They are directrix focus method and rectangle method. Applications of parabola. Parabola is used in bridges for better weight distribution. The parabolic shape of a satellite dish helps receive and transmit the signals. Parabolic domes are used in theaters for better sound distribution. We use two methods to draw hyperbola. They are directrix focus method and rectangle method. Applications of hyperbola. Cooling towers are in hyperbolic shape for better resistance against wind. It is also used in some hyperbolic structural constructions.